Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hello dear children, how are you all? I think you all are fine. Yes, today I am going to take a which subject? EVS. Yes, I written already subject name and our lesson is my home. Yes, before going to start the lesson, can we do some activity? Okay, now I am going to ask simple questions. Only yes or no. You should give answer yes or no. Shall we start now? Yes. Is your green color sari? No. Yes. Your age is 10? No. Then rabbit have tail? No. Yes. Yes. Next. You are living in Tamil Nadu? No, no. You are living in Karnataka. Yes. Like this simple question you can ask your friend also. If you ask fast, they will get confusion and they will give mass answer also. Yes. Now we will go to our lesson. Last class I already thought about house and what is house, what is the uses of house and why we need house. Today I am going to continue. What are the rooms we can see in our home or house? Okay. I already told you once. Again I am going to write now. First one is living room. Living room. Second one is bedroom. Third one is kitchen. Fourth one is dining room. And the fifth one is bathroom. Okay. Now, mainly we are going to see these five rooms. Aside from these also we can see storeroom, study room, dressing room. In some homes they will make separate for study room and a dressing room, storeroom, keeping the things. But some are not making separate. In this room only they will adjust for that. Okay. Today we are going to learn one by one. Before going to learn this, I want to tell you what is the difference between house and home. House and home. What is the difference between these two words? It is same, no? House and home, no. It have a little difference. See, house is a building. Then home, we are living. Or family members living together, it's a home. House it may apartment also. Some person made a building to give others, to give rent. That is, we can say house. For living purpose only he built this. But here home is we family members living together. That one person made two, three apartment means everything is his house only, his home only. No, his home is where his family members is living. Here he made apartments or buildings. This is called house and where we can live it called as a home. Yes, here is the living room. First thing is living room. Okay, now I'm going to show you one picture. What is this? Can you see this? Yes, it is newspaper. Where you can see this? You are keeping this in kitchen. No. Then where you will see? Yes, it is. We are keeping in living room. Where we can see this? In the living room. Yes. Then here, what is this? TV or television. Where you can see this? It is also in the living room. One more name of the living room is a family room. It is a big room. Living room is a big room. Living room or family room. All the family members sit together and discuss their feelings in the living room only. Bedroom it may separate for their means you are living in a separate. Then your aunt uncle is there in your room. Their bedroom is separate. But in the living room for all one only. It is a big room, decorative room. If any guest will come, you are inviting for them for living room only. They will sit and discuss. Then what are the things you can see in the living room? Only newspaper and TV? No. Then can you see in your living room and tell me what are the things is there? Sofa, table, chair, okay, sceneries, then flower, vase, yes, hanging clock, okay, fan, bulb, okay. Next, a TV, telephone, receiver, cable box. Then, see, some are studied, they will study in their living room only. They will not have extra study room. In study chair also they will keep in the living room. Because living room is the big room. I already said you. Then what are the toys you are going to use for playing? That also will keep in the living room only, no? If you have a small cycle, small babies, then your the small cycle they will keep outside. No, they will keep inside only. And then coffee table or teapot. Yes, these are all the things we can see in the living room. Living room is the big room and all the family members sit and discuss. Means they share the feelings. So this is the decorative room. If any guest will come, they will spend the time in living room only. So living room is the biggest room in the home. Yes. Next, second is the bedroom. Okay, what are the things we can see children in the bedroom? Can you say? Yes. What is this? It is alarm clock. Where you can find this? Why? What is the use of this? Is there any use? Yeah, what is the use? What it works? Yes, early morning you want to get up early means you will keep a alarm. At what time you want to wake up? If you want to wake up 6, you will set the time 6 and 6 o'clock alarm tone will rings. Then here is the button. If you press down, it will stop. Then this is the use of alarm clock and we are using this in the bedroom. So in the bedroom we will take a rest. Tell us a rest room. we will take rest there. Then what are the things we can see in the bedroom? Mattress, pillow, cot, hanging clock, sceneries, then family photos, screen, then alarm clock. Then what is there? Yeah, if you are study in the bedroom means in the side of the bedroom your study table also. And one more side, if some homes they will won't make separate dressing room. They that dressing room also dressing table also they will keep in the bedroom only, and the dressing table and the study table. In the same way, fan, bulb, everything in every room you can see bulb and all. We need light, no? So, see, these are all the things we can see in the bedroom. Yes. Next which one? Kitchen. Okay. What are the things you can see, children? Many things, no? Can you see this picture? Yes, if you see this picture, what are the things is here? Can you tell me one by one? Yes, here is a fridge, refrigerator, cylinder, gas stove, cooker, then serving spoons. Yes, these all the here in this picture, these all the things will say it is kitchen. Yeah, we are using these all the things in the kitchen. Yes, then more things we can see. No, not only this much. Can you tell me what are the things is there in the kitchen? Yes. What are the things, children? Serving bowls, and then container, then bowling bowl. Then what are the things is there? Knife, scissor, chopping board. Then you just go to kitchen and see glass, plates, yeah, cylinder, gas, cooker, mixer, grinder, juicer, then oven, yes, fridge, next serving bowl, serving pan, spoon, yeah, these are all the things we can see. Vegetable cutter, vegetable container. Yes, these are all the things we can see in a kitchen. Kitchen, what they will do? Prepare the food for family members. Main work what they will do in the kitchen? Preparing the food. Yes. Next, we will move to dining room. Okay. I am going to show you one image. Can you see this image, children? Yes. What are the things is here? Table, chairs, then plate, glass. Yeah, if you see this, what image will come in your mind? It is dining hall. We are eating food here together, all the family members. Yes, all we will sit together and we will have the food. This is only place to be have the food. Yes, it is a dining room or dining hall. Here is the main the dining table, and what you are then what are the things arranged in the dining table? Serving serving container, then next table cover, then what wash basin is near to dining table. Only you have to wash hand after having the food. Yes, this in the dining hall we cannot see many more things like other rooms. Here only we are having the food. Yes. Next, bathroom. Yes, I am going to show you an image. Can you see this image, children? Here small things is there. Can you see? Can you tell me what are the things is here? Yes, one door. Yeah, here is the bath towel. Here is the wash basin. Yeah, here is the bucket, tap. Then anything is there else? No, here one bucket is there. Yeah, if you see this, which picture is coming in your mind, children? Yeah, bathroom. We are going to take bath and we will be pressure here. Bathroom. Here also we can see some things. What are the things? Which toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, then a bathroom cleaner, brush, water, means bucket, tap, so, yeah, these all the things we can see in the bathrooms. Yeah, here I said you about 5 rooms plus storeroom. I did not tell you, I did not mention here. It is, if it is necessary only some home they will build. It is storeroom means we want to keep things. We will store the things. Then dressing room we will dress up there. Then what are the things we need to for dressing purpose, what are the things we want, we will keep on the table, and the study table, mainly the, what are the books, main thing is books they will keep. Then light, bulb, they want more light, no, when reading we should not read in what less light, it should be dark light, means it's bright, it should be, that light should be bright. Yes, these many rooms we can see in the home. Okay, now I am going to show you together for all the rooms together in this chart. Different rooms we can see in our home. Yes, first is home picture here given. Next, here they marked which are the rooms. Here is the, can you see this image? Yes, here is the bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room. Then here one more bedroom. Yeah, in some home have a 3 or more bedrooms. Some are 2, some are 1 bedrooms. Next is here living room. See what are the things I said. All the things is here. Next here is the study room, study table and chair. He kept his books in the rack. Next is the dining room. Yeah, dining table, scenery also is there. Screen, different type of screen they can keep. Yes, here is the bedroom. Yes, here mattress, pillow, you can see here. So one scenery is there. Big window is there. Here is the kitchen. Kitchen room, what are the things you can see, children? Yes, same thing here. Gas, cooker, container, fridge, cylinder. Yes, these all the things you can see in the kitchen. Then here one more picture is there. Bathroom. Yes, what are the things is there in a bathroom? Bathtub, then tap, bucket. Yeah, these are all the things you can see in this picture. This is the full picture of home and its rooms. Yes. Now I am going to stick here. You can this picture. Here you can see more. Okay. Now open your textbook, children. Just I am going to read now all the things given in the textbook. Page number 167. Can you open page number 167? EVS textbook. Yes. Have you opened? Yes. My home. Lesson number 3. My home. A house is a building made for people to live in. It is built with bricks, sand, and cement. A house becomes a home when it is filled with the love, affection, and care of family members. Why do we need a house? Everyone needs a house to live in. A house protects us from heat and cold. It protects us from rain, storm, and floods. It protects us from thieves. It also protects us from animals. Rooms in a house. Each room in a house has a different use. Living room. We sit, drink tea, watch television, and talk to our guests in the living room. Bedroom. We rest and sleep in the bedroom. Kitchen. We cook food in the kitchen. Dining room. We eat our food in the dining room. Bathroom. We take bath in the bathroom. Yes. Here is one. We given one. Two boxes here. My home. Here is why it needs. Protect. Here is what are different rules in a house. Same thing what you learned in the lesson. Same thing here, divide and given. Just you see that. You try to read. Yes, the remaining all the exercise I will give you in WhatsApp classes. Okay. Today I am going to conclude my lesson. Thank you.